तुम हमेशा जिद क्यों करते हो? Why do you always insist? Why do you always insist? वो यहीं कहीं होगी. She must be around. She must be around. उसकी तो किस्मत चमक गई. His luck shone. His luck shone. ये कौन करता है? Who does it? Who does it? तुम हमेशा यही करते हो. This is what you always do. This is what you always do. मैंने अपने आप के साथ ऐसा क्यों किया? Why did I do this to myself? Why did I do this to myself? तुम्हारा फोन भी स्विच ऑफ है. Your phone is switched off as well. Your phone is switched off as well. अपना दरवाज़ा खोलो और मुझे अंदर ले लो. Open your door and take me inside. Open your door and take me inside. ये तुम्हें शोभा नहीं देता. It doesn't suit you. It doesn't suit you. क्या तुम अपना बच्चा नहीं संभाल सकते? Can't you take care of your kid? Can't you take care of your kid? तुम उन्हें वहाँ क्यों नहीं रखते? Why don't you keep them there? Why don't you keep them there? अब कोई क्यों आएगा? Why will anyone come now? Why will anyone come now? तुम आज भी लेट आए. You came late even today. You came late even today. मुझ पर रोब जमाने की कोशिश मत करो. Don't try to bully me. Don't try to bully me. पहले एक दूसरे को जान लेते हैं. Let's get to know each other. Let's get to know each other. वो मुझसे पूछे बिना कहीं नहीं जाता है. He doesn't go anywhere without asking me. He doesn't go anywhere without asking me. मेरे पापा वहाँ रहते थे. There lived my dad. There lived my dad. आपके बाजू वाले घर में कौन रहता है? Who lives next door to you? Who lives next door to you? अपने नाखून मत चबाओ. Don't bite your nails. Don't bite your nails. मैं आपके प्यार में पागल हूँ. I am madly in love with you. I am madly in love with you. तुम इतनी गैर जिम्मेदार कैसे हो सकती हो? How could you be so irresponsible? How could you be so irresponsible? अपने काम से काम रखो. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. मैं खाना लगा रहा हूँ. I am serving dinner. I am serving dinner. वो छोटी छोटी बातों पर भड़क जाता है. He gets furious over petty things. He gets furious over petty things. आज बारिश हो सकती है. It may rain today. It may rain today. मुझसे पूछे बिना कहीं मत जाना. Don't go anywhere without asking me. Don't go anywhere without asking me. अब तुम दोनों लड़ना बंद करोगे क्या? Will you both stop quarreling now? Will you both stop quarreling now? ये एक अच्छे लड़के की निशानी है. This is the sign of a good boy. This is the sign of a good boy. तुम सारी रात सोते रहे होगे. You would have been sleeping all night. You would have been sleeping all night. मैं उसे देखना भी पसंद नहीं करता. I don't even like to see him. I don't even like to see him. तुम इतने गंदे निकलोगे मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था. I never thought you would be such a pervert. I never thought you would be such a pervert. अगर वो आता तो अच्छा होता. Had he come, it would have been better. Had he come, It would have been better. आजकल तुम झूठ बहुत बोलने लगे हो. You have started lying a lot these days. You have started lying a lot these days. मैंने सबको बता दिया है कि हम MP जा रहे हैं. I have told everyone that we are going to MP. I have told everyone that we are going to MP. अगर वो आएगा तो मैं नहीं आऊँगा. If he comes, I won't come. If he comes, I won't come. मैं इस बार नहीं आ सकता. I can't make it this time. I can't make it this time. मुझे आज शाम को घर पैदल जाना पड़ेगा. I will have to walk home this evening. I will have to walk home this evening. मैं सभी को खाना दे रहा हूँ. I am serving the food to all. I am serving the food to all. हम दोनों की यही समस्या है. We both are in the same boat. We both are in the same boat. इस रोड ने हमारी यात्रा को छोटा कर दिया. This road shortened our journey. This road shortened our journey. आपको कितने पैसों की ज़रूरत है? How much money do you need? How much money do you need? वो मेरे मन में दबी हुई भावनाओं को कभी नहीं समझ सका. He could never understand my pent-up emotions. He could never understand my pent-up emotions. वो अपनी मम्मी पर गई है. She has gone to her mother. She has gone to her mother. मैं अपनी माँ से बहुत प्यार करता था. I used to love my mother dearly. I used to love my mother dearly. किसी न किसी ने उसे बताया होगा. Someone or the other must have told him. Someone or the other must have told him. ये लो मैं आ गया. Here I am. Here I am. मोबाइल मत पटको. Don't slam the mobile. Don't slam the mobile. मैं मज़े कर रहा हूँ. I am having fun. I am having fun. मैंने उसे साफ साफ मना कर दिया. I refused him flatly. I refused him flatly. कमरा खाली कर दो. Vacate the room. Vacate the room. इसे मजाक में मत लो. Don't take it jokingly. Don't take it jokingly. कहाँ से शुरू करूँ? Where do I start? Where do I start? आगे क्या हुआ? What happened next? What happened next? आज धूप निकलती है. It's sunny today. It's sunny today. मुझे गलत मत समझिए. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. वो बहुत डींगे हाँकता है. He brags too much. He brags too much. हमारे पास उन पर भरोसा करने के सिवा कोई रास्ता नहीं है. We have no choice but to trust them. We have no choice but to trust them. उसके पिता के साथ नहीं बनती है. He doesn't get along with his father. He doesn't get along with his father. पूछो उससे कि वो सिगरेट क्यों पीता है. Ask him why he smokes. Ask him why he smokes. ये तो हद हो गई यार. This is too much bro. This is too much bro. क्या तुम अभी भी वही काम कर रहे हो? Are you still working there? Are you still working there? शर्म नहीं आती है. Don't you feel shy? Don't you feel shy? मैं अपने जीवन साथी के रूप में आपको चुनूंगा. I will choose you as my life partner. I will choose you as my life partner. क्यों जानना है? Why do you want to know? Why do you want to know? मेरे पास कार है. I have a car. I have a car. मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I am not joking. I am not joking. काम तो एक बहाना है. Work is just an excuse. Work is just an excuse. उसने मुझे जाने का इशारा किया. He gave me a clue to go. He gave me a clue to go. मुझे अंग्रेजी नहीं आती. I don't know English. I don't know English. मौका देकर चौका मारो. Strike the iron when it is hot. Strike the iron when it is hot. 2 घंटों से बर्फबारी हो रही थी. It had been snowing for 2 hours. It had been snowing for 2 hours. तुम भीगे कैसे? How did you get wet? How did you get wet? मुझे कुछ काम है. I have some work. I have some work. वो जानता है कि तुम्हारे साथ अन्याय हुआ है. He knows injustice has been done to you. He knows injustice has been done to you. कम से कम वो मुझे कॉल तो कर सकती थी. At least she could call me. At least she could call me. रेलगाड़ी में बहुत भीड़ थी. There was a great rush in the train. There was a great rush in the train. मोहल्ले से निकलवाना है क्या आपने हमें? Do you want us to be thrown out of the neighborhood? Do you want us to be thrown out of the neighborhood? बेवजह जिद मत करो. Don't be stubborn for no reason. Don't be stubborn for no reason. लेकिन उन्हें कौन समझाएगा? But who will make them understand? But who will make them understand? तुम दोनों में से किसी एक ने किया है ये. Either of you has done this. Either of you has done this. उसे सबक सिखाना ही चाहिए. She should be taught a lesson. She should be taught a lesson. मैं तुम्हें कब से ढूंढ रही हूँ. I have been looking for you for so long. I have been looking for you for so long. तुम मुझे बदनाम कर रहे हो. You are slandering me. You are slandering me. मिलते रहना. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. मैं सिफारिश करूँगा, बाकी तुम्हारी किस्मत. I will recommend, rest is your luck. I will recommend, rest is your luck. किसने भेजा है उसे? Who has sent him? Who has sent him? डॉक्टर होने के बावजूद मैं उतना ही लाचार हूँ जितना कि तुम हो. In spite of being a doctor, I am as helpless as you are. वो तो सबकी माँ निकली. She turned out to be the mother of all. She turned out to be the mother of all. ऐसे लोगों के लिए अपने आंसू मत बहाओ. Don't shed your tears for such people. Don't shed your tears for such people. क्या आपने मुझे बुलाया था? Had you asked for me? Had you asked for me? जहाँ तक पैसों का सवाल है, वो किसी पर भरोसा नहीं करता. As far as money is concerned, he doesn't trust anyone. As far as money is concerned, he doesn't trust anyone. तुम उससे बहस में नहीं जीत सकते. You can't win him in an argument. You can't win him in an argument. मैं रात भर काम करता रहा. I kept working the whole night. I kept working the whole night. तुम्हें ये कहानी किसने सुनाई? Who told you that story? Who told you that story? इस शहर में सिर्फ यही जगह है जो देखने लायक है. This is the only place that is worth seeing. This is the only place that is worth seeing. पूरा मत खाना. Don't eat it up. Don't eat it up. तुम कहाँ जाने के लिए तैयार हो रहे हो? Where are you getting ready to go? Where are you getting ready to go? अगर एक कदम भी आगे आए तो मैं तुम्हें जान से मार दूंगा. If you take another step, I will kill you. If you take another step, I will kill you. नहीं, अब मैं उससे प्यार नहीं करता. I don't love her anymore. I don't love her anymore. अपनी नाक साफ करो. ब्लो योर नोज. ब्लो योर नोज. ये गंदा तरीका है. दिस इज़ अ बैड वे. दिस इज़ अ बैड वे. कुछ भी कर लो, तुम हमेशा चुड़ैल ही दिखोगी. डू वट एवर, यू विल ऑलवेज लुक लाइक अ विच. डू वट एवर, यू विल ऑलवेज लुक लाइक अ विच. क्या हम मूवी देखने जा सकते हैं? कैन वी गो टू वॉच अ मूवी? कैन वी गो टू वॉच अ मूवी? मैं कौन होता हूँ बोलने वाला? Who am I to speak? Who am I to speak? मैं तुम्हें किनारे बैठकर हाथ हिलाता रहूँगा. I will keep waving at you from the shore. I will keep waving at you from the shore. कोई कसर ना छोड़ना. Don't spare any effort. Don't spare any effort. वो संत से कम नहीं है. He is no lesser to a saint. He is no lesser to a saint. उस लड़के के साथ ठहरो. Stay with that boy. मैं उसे मजा चखाऊंगा. I will teach him a lesson. I will teach him a lesson. वो आपसे बात करना चाहता है. He wants to speak to you. He wants to speak to you. मैं खिड़की से तुम्हें देख सकता हूँ. I can see you through the window. I can see you through the window. चाय ठंडी हो रही है. Tea is getting cold. Tea is getting cold. मैं परीक्षा में पास हो गया. I have passed the examination. I have passed the examination. हमें वो खरीदने दो. Let us buy that. Let us buy that. वो मुझे क्यों मारना चाहता है? Why does he want to kill me? Why does he want to kill me? मुझे ये सब नहीं पता था. I didn't know about all this. I didn't know about all this. क्या तुम कोई बिजनेस करते हो? Are you in business? Are you in business? So that's it for today. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ ऐसे ही सेंटेंसेस के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर. बाय बाय. कीप लर्निंग.